Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Group. Friends, today we are going to do an experiment. Which position is best for the turmeric growing? So we are going to try different position and I will explain you what is the thinking behind it. So let us see what position we are going to sow it and what is the logic after it. So we are going to put this turmeric in a three ways. In the first way, we'll put this turmeric rhizome, which is most prone to sprout from the end. So we'll put it into vertical position like this, and the sidewise eyes may grow from the side and plant will take the shape. So which is the one position. The second position what we are going to try is, we are going to put all these turmeric rhizomes in a horizontal position, keeping the all eyes in a sidewise, so it is possible to grow turmeric eyes in a sidewise. Now here we are going to do two things. One, we are going to put it in a circle form. So all this turmeric will be in a relay form like this. And second position we are going to try is in a star form, means all this sprouted portion will be on a outside like this. So this will sprout from outside on all the corners and the new shoots will be coming inside. We are keeping the same distance for both. So this line we are going to do circular, and that next line we are going to put it into star. I am going to discuss the result periodically about the growth and the final yield into future. But right now we will only complete the sowing of this turmeric into this two way. So if you are interested in this, knowing what type of planting is best suitable for the turmeric growing, be with me and keep watching my videos regularly. And in the future, I will share with you all the results. Happy growing!